boys and girls, what's up? It's Amy again, and today we're gonna have lots of fun. Okay guys, hear me out. I'm not an artist. I am not Picasso. I do not know how to draw the perfect picture, but you know what? I love learning. So guys, today I'm gonna show you 3 different ways for beginners, you don't have to be perfect, how I drew these 3 pictures. I'll show you step by step. Don't worry, I got you. Okay guys, that was super interesting. I didn't know I could make simple portraits like that. Honestly, I'm gonna continue making different pictures, but my favorite one out of all of them was definitely the rose. Red's my favorite color. But anyways guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what we can do for you. And we'll see you next time.